When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make shit.
Alright, what is up everyone? I forgot to film an intro. So this is what you guys are seeing now. If you guys like these type of videos, I had this camera for a second actually, so I'm just now using it because I'm trying to figure out if it's good or not. If you guys like these videos more than the GoPro ones, if you guys don't like the quality of the GoPro, I'm gonna get a new one soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let me know if you guys like these type of videos with this camera, and I'll do more of them. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, this is my first time recording with this camera, so I'm trying to figure out what I could do with it. We're going to try to get some videos today. Here comes the sun, doo 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 doo. It's alright. Wow. Oh.
Nah, Jay made this one.
Yo, speed it up a little bit, Chief.
Nah, Jay made this one.
So yeah, thank you everyone for watching this video. So like I said, let me know if you guys like these type of videos with this camera, and I'll do more of them. New GoPro soon, and yeah.